Hi, it's Steffi from Stephies, Beads and Baubles, and I have a little thrift store haul to share with you. And I want to start with these 3 tops I got. This first one I fell in love with. And I've been losing weight, and this one fits me now, but just not quite comfortably. It's a very small extra large because I actually wear a 14-16. But I got online and looked at this brand on eBay. And there are some gorgeous ones, the same sort of embroidery or trim that they've sewn on it. Just gorgeous pieces, really reasonably. So I will be buying more as I lose weight. And then my friend found me, let me scan back a little bit, this amazing tunic. And it was a deal. All the gray tags were 75% off, so I paid $1. And the fabric's a really neat kind of open or light weave. And I plan on embellishing it, putting some beadwork on it, maybe some sequins and seed beads. But for $1, it was beautiful. And then this one was also on sale. Let me see if I can find the tag for you. This one was $5, but all the green tags were 50% off. So I paid $2.50. And I thought the same thing. I'd do a little bit of maybe sequins or seed beads along this top, and then perhaps down here on the hem. I thought it's so long and so pretty, and that'll fit me too by next summer easily. But the fun stuff's over here. If you got a glimpse of my messy floor, I apologize. I've got a cat dragging stuff around. The most expensive thing I bought was this. I paid $3, and it was not on sale. But these are glass buttons, and I thought they were just gorgeous. And I can't believe I said buttons, but but they're beautiful. And I'd never seen any of these. I love it looks like 2 are missing. That did not end up in the store, but I got, where did it go? I love this pink one. I thought that was really beautiful. And there's 2 matching blues. And this red one in person is just, sorry, it's bright cherry red. It does not show up well on camera, but it's like a bright cherry red. But just beautiful. And my husband and I both thought it was kind of neat how they used the old playing card as a mount. So I might do some of that with my jewelry. I've got a bunch of vintage playing cards. I think that might be fun to display some of the jewelry and wine charms and stuff I sell. And then I'm doing a lot of holiday pins right now, and I couldn't believe this deal. 25 cents for 44 pin backs. I mean, that's really a steal of a deal. Normally $2.99, but I don't know when that was. I know this bag here is dated 1999. Whether these all came in from the same person, I don't know, but I paid 25 cents for these sequins, 10mm. I thought these would be perfect with the holidays coming up. Nice bright, again, bright cherry red. I don't know why cameras just will not pick up red good. I need more sequins like a hole in the head, but I could not pass it up for $1. And then also with the holidays coming up, well, who doesn't need some little Rudolph type noses? So for $1, I thought for 40 pieces, that was a pretty good deal. And I also got them in black. 40 pieces for $1, the little black ones. And then I got the pin backs, and then I got, for 50 cents, I believe. Yeah, I got measuring tape. And these always come in handy for both using in crafts or just for measuring. I might stick this one in my purse because there's actually been times I could have used one of these when I was out and about. And this is a kid's scissor. I have a bunch of these tucked away somewhere. I don't know if you remember, but it's been well over 20 years because I've been in Texas 17 or 18, and I did it when we were in California. I'd take a hanger and make a big loop, or I'd buy a metal loop when they had them in the store, and you would take hard candies and cut ribbon, just about 2 inches, 3 inches long, and curling ribbon, and curl it and tie the candy on. And then you would put one of these scissors on the wreath. You tie it on with a string so it hung below, and you put a little poem on there about the candy wreath, and your guests could cut a piece of candy off. So for $1, I added another one. That's what I paid for the others I have. I'm not really sure where they are. I've got a lot of stuff that's kind of hidden away, but I know I have a good 20 of these somewhere. And I just thought for $1 I'd add another one to the the collection. Then this was probably too much, 75 cents. I wasn't paying attention. For this little tiny bit of trim, I think I overpaid. It's not that much. I want to do gingerbread ornaments, but I think this is too big. But I'll find a use for it. But 75 cents, and you can see, I'm going to open it up. There's not much on there. So they way overcharged me for that, and it's my fault. I think I thought it said 25, but it said 75. Now, my favorite piece, and both my friend and I were just shocked when we saw this. This was $3. Let me find, sorry, I get confused with this viewfinder. I'm used to a point and shoot. This was $3.50, but you can see that was 75% off. So I didn't pay hardly anything for this beauty, and it's a very cool vintage looking piece. I have never seen a necklace like this. We were fascinated by this clasp. How you open it up in the back like this to put the chain on. Now, if anybody knows what this is, was this not a necklace? Was this something else? My husband was like, wow, that could be just a purse hook like that. But it's missing one bottom bead. So I will see if I have something similar, or I'll just replace the bottom bead with a similar, something close to that. I'll do 3 new ones on the bottom. But it's got a really neat gold tone to it. Kind of vintagey looking, and I love the design. And even on the back, it's kind of neat. It's got a little design even where the clip is. I don't know if you can, let me lay it down so I can get out of the light. But it's just kind of cool. It's a little curly Q there. It's just neat. It's got the little bits of chain. And it's got a nice, beautiful chain, and I just love the color of the metal. But anyway, that was my favorite piece of all the little trinkets I got. And then, of course, I love the clothing as well. But I think I did pretty good. I think it was like $17.24 before tax. We were putting our stuff together because she paid for my half since I didn't have any cash on me. And so I wrote down what I ordered, and I'm going to treat her next time. So $17.24 before tax, so it's, you know, a little bit more than that. But thank you, Lori, by the way. I had a fun day with you, and I think we both did really well. She cleaned up on some nice clothes, too. But anyway, I just wanted to pop in. I am about to do a video for you, a tutorial, but I wanted to jump in and do this quick haul video. So anyway, thanks for coming by, and I hope you liked this. If you did, I hope you'll hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, I hope you will. I do some occasional haul videos, but mostly what I do is tutorials, and I'll probably be, you know, doing other things too over time. But thank you again so much, and I'll be back soon. Bye.